Monetary versus non-monetary items, specifically for Ind AS 21 foreign exchange, a very basic but an important concept. So monetary items include those items where there is a contractually fixed or determinable amount of money involved, like you have debtors, bank balances, loans taken or given, or even investment in debentures. These have a very fixed and determinable money value involved, and hence they are monetary and will be shown at the closing rate generally as per Ind AS 21. On the other hand, non-monetary items do not have a fixed monetary value attached, like land, intangibles, even prepaid expenses or income received in advance, because there is no money to be paid or money to be received. These are non-monetary items, even inventory and investment in equity shares, because there's no fixed value and hence they will be shown at the historic rate or closing rate in case measured at fair value.